Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to pronounce G. Most of the time we confuse to pronounce G because sometimes it makes the sound as Ja and sometimes as Ga. So let us see how it makes different sounds. After G, either I, either E, either Y. Any of these one letter is there, then it makes the sound Ja. This G is called soft or gentle G. So let us see some examples. For example, here ginger, but we don't know it is ginger or ginger. So let us see. We concentrate on the next letter to the G. Here I is there, then it becomes soft G. It makes the sound as Ja. Here also we don't know this is to pronounce this letter as Ga or Ja. So here E is there, so it is also makes the sound as Ja. So then it becomes ginger. Next, we don't know to pronounce this as engineer or engineer. So let us see what is the next letter to the G. Here I is there. So according to our rule, if I, E, Y is there, then it becomes soft G. It makes the sound as Ja. Let us see next example. Is it gems or games? Let us see. Here after G, E is there. Then it becomes Ja. Ja sound. Gems. Is it German or German? Let us see. After G here E is there. It means E is there means it. This G is making the gentle G, soft G sound. So German. Okay friends. Is it Jim or Gim? Let us see. After G here Y is there. According to our rule I, E, Y is there. This G is making the sound as Ja. So this is Jim. And next one. Let us see. Is it Egypt or Egypt? We don't know the sound of G, then how we can pronounce this G as? But we know now. No. After G here Y is there, then it become soft G. So it is Egypt. Next, except I, E, Y. After G except I, E, Y, any another letter is there. For example, A, B, C, D, not E, F, G, H, like that. Any another letter is there, then that G makes the sound as G. For example, let us see. This G makes the sound as G or Ja. Let us see. We concentrate on the next letter to the G. A is there though, then it is hard G. Okay friends, garlic. Next, we don't know this G is soft G or hard G. Let us see. Here H is there, then it become hard G. Goat. Galaxy. We concentrate on the next letter to the G. Okay friends. But some exceptions are there. Let us see those. According to our rule, if after G is there, then it's supposed to make the sound as Ja. But here it's making the sound as G. Get. And after G here I is there, so it's supposed to make the sound as give, but this is give. And younger. In this word younger, after G E is there, but this is not younger, younger. Gynecology. According to our rule, this G makes the sound as soft G, but this is not gynecology. This is gynecology. Okay, friends. And one more thing. When the word ends with G, also makes the sound as hard G, as G. For example, song, bag, king, jug, etc. Okay, friends, if you feel this video will useful to you, hit a like button. Thank you for watching this video.